Travel trailers and off-roading caravans are built to tackle the toughest terrains and provide a comfortable oasis in the midst of extreme conditions. Equipped with all the necessary amenities, such as plush sleeping quarters, full kitchens, and spacious bathrooms, these vehicles offer the perfect combination of comfort and functionality. So buckle up, as in today's video, we'll show you the 7 travel trailers and off-roading caravans for extreme camping trips. Starting with the REGENT Discoverer RDC 206. It's a trendy caravan that delivers style, comfort, and convenience on the road. It boasts a length of around 21 feet and has a sleek, streamlined design that enhances fuel efficiency and ensures a smoother driving experience. The Caravan sits on a Raptor Coat chassis and comes with a 50mm ball coupling and torsion beam suspension as standard, which provide excellent stability and handling on the road. Step inside, you'll find the space-savvy style layout that maximizes space and functionality. The main living area features a cafe-shaped dinette and a fold-out table, while the stylish kitchen provides ample storage space for utensils and appliances. Meanwhile, the bedroom area features an island queen bed with bedside wardrobes and plenty of storage space. At the rear of the Caravan, you'll find a full-width en-suite that completes with a separate shower and toilet. Get ready to conquer the off-road terrain with the ultimate trailer for adventure, the Conqueror UEV 25. Built with a fully independent suspension system, this trailer delivers an unbeatable ride quality that's far superior to that of solid beam or torsion-type suspensions. Whether you're exploring the Rocky Mountains or rough backcountry, the UEV 25 is up to the challenge. Crafted with a lightweight aluminum frame and reinforced composite panels, this trailer is built to last. Inside, you'll discover a front island double bed, side fold-out double bed, and a configurable side fold-out bed that can transform into a dinette area. With plenty of internal storage cupboards and a convenient internal bathroom, you'll have all the comfort and convenience you need for your next adventure. Outside, you'll find a retractable kitchen drawer that's designed for convenience and ease of access, along with dedicated cutlery and crockery storage. Meet the Black Series SHQ-15 Adventure, the perfect off-road trailer for small families looking to take their adventures off-grid. With its 15-foot single-axle compact design and all-aluminum body frame, the SHQ-15 is built for rugged durability and superior performance. Featuring independent suspension and an anti-decoupling system, along with an armored chassis, this trailer delivers exceptional water-crossing performance and all-terrain handling. And with one master bedroom and one children's bed, you'll have plenty of comfortable sleeping space for the whole family. Plus, the ergonomic beds ensure that everyone gets a good night's sleep after a day of adventure. The SHQ-15 Adventure also comes equipped with professional off-road tires that are designed to handle even the harshest road conditions. And despite its compact size, this trailer offers the same functionality as premium models, including modern luxury appliances for your comfort and convenience. People who want to take their camping experience to the next level should check out this swag SCT-16. It's a hybrid caravan that's one of the best appointed and ready to take you on a luxurious adventure. With a timber-free floor, wall, and roof construction, this caravan is practically a fortress on wheels. You'll feel like a king or queen in the spacious and comfortable interior, complete with a king-size bed and reverse cycle air conditioning for those hot summer nights. And if you need to freshen up, just pop into the onboard combination en-suite. It's like having a personal spa on wheels. But wait, there's more. The SCT-16 Max also features a large slide-out stainless steel kitchen, perfect for whipping up a gourmet meal while enjoying the great outdoors. Plus, with double glazed windows with blackout and fly screens, you can sleep soundly without worrying about pesky bugs or bright sunlight ruining your beauty sleep. This AUSRV XL15E MK2 off-road caravan will take on anything the great outdoors can throw at it. At 15 feet long, this pop-top caravan is packed with the latest and most durable features to withstand even the toughest terrains. With a galvanized chassis and aluminum composite panel throughout, the XL15E MK2 is built to last. Its X-Track independent coil spring suspension ensures a smooth ride, no matter where your adventure takes you. And that's just the beginning. Just step inside, and you'll find a comfortable king-size bed and roof-mounted air conditioning to keep you cool during hot summer nights. The hard-wearing stainless steel kitchen and DomeTech CTS 4110 cassette toilet are just a few of the many features that make this caravan the perfect home away from home. Looking for a hybrid caravan that can keep up with your adventurous spirit? Feast your eyes on the Titan Blackhawk Hybrid 480X. This travel trailer is ready to go through any terrain with its sleek desert sand composite panels and rugged black powder-coated aluminum checker plate. Step inside this caravan and be greeted by a bright and spacious interior, perfect for unwinding after a long day of exploring. And the nearly queen-size bed? It's positioned up high to make getting in and out a breeze. But wait, there's more. The 480X has a features-packed kitchen. This means you won't have to sacrifice your regular cooking skills while on the road. Meanwhile, the Ranger double-glazed windows provide constant cross-breeze and ventilation to keep you cool. Let's end up the list with the Prime Camper's GT15C. This travel trailer comes with several noteworthy features, and one of its standout features is its one-piece fiberglass roof, which eliminates joints and potential issues associated with them. The camper's walls also use a compressed fiberglass construction with high-density insulation, ensuring strength and excellent thermal performance. Plus, the off-road independent suspension provides better stability and control when driving on bumpy terrain. It also features an electric pop-up system, which eliminates the need for manual push-pull and provides added convenience. Even while on avid outdoor adventures, the interior of the GT15C provides a home-like feel with a king-size bed, ensuite, and dinette. The camper's air circulation and air conditioning performance are also top-notch, with a floor-mounted reverse-cycle AC system and strategically placed vents for optimal airflow. Okay, that was our second video on 7 travel trailers and off-roading caravans for extreme camping, Part 3. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.